Hey Blake, how you
And
doing?
hey guys, this is Blake Morrow. Good, just getting ready for the data, man. It's about that time, isn't it? It's about that time. So, let's see here. Um, you ready?
Yeah, I am. I mean, I think an interesting scenario I've got is, which I was looking for the euro to go. I mean, a euro to be offered, dollar be bid into the number, but I think the euro can drop, and then I think potentially we could see a rally back in the euro, and we run out of gas, maybe like around the 930s, upper 940s, and then I wouldn't be surprised to see the euro working lower for the rest of the day.
Well, okay, so for a light number would probably put the euro back above 109, which if that's the case, I will start looking to sell up toward, it depends how light it is, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think it's baked in
That's
the cake because even if we get a light number, it just reinforces the thing that the ECB is going to be able to extend and increase the QE. I got
yeah,
15 seconds,
okay.
so the key thing will be the number and any revisions and also the thing.
Here we go,
So
people.
5 seconds. 271.
Wait, oh, wait, hey, watch the language.
271. Oh
Oh
my
my God, that is a huge number.
Oh
Huge
my God,
number.
we're into that number, the
Oh my
736. You could
God.
probably buy the euro here on
Well,
the
no,
scalp.
are you kidding me? Are you going to buy the euro right
I'm
now?
saying down here, we're into that 728 area. Down at 702, this is a good area if you want to scalp it. Anywhere down
Holy
here going
cow.
towards 702 is pretty huge. Obviously, it's really way overdone. Um, I think this whole area is pretty decent. I knew I should have said short.
Holy cow. All right, man, holy moly. Wow. You know what? I'm perfectly hedged. My account has not done anything. Wow, that's crazy. Um, So, wow. All right. Well, the Swissy is well above parity. Thank you very much. What did Canadian numbers come in at?
Let me take a look. Canadian
Because the dollar
employment
Canadian
is
is just ripping right
Is
now.
change employment? Hang on now. Employment change up 44,000.
Wow. 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 Canada just crushed the numbers, and the Canadians getting hit. I mean, obviously, this is, look at the dollar yen's at 123. 123, people. I have to actually add to some of my dollar yen short here, but that's just me. But wow, wow, what a big, really huge numbers. I had to add to my dollar Swiss. Sorry, I had to buy some more dollar Swiss here.
Oh my God, dollar yen went to 123.
Yeah, I just sold some more dollar yen at
I think
123
it's good up
actually.
here. Just like I said about the euro, I think it's good here because we're really overdone. Because even
Well,
if you
we're
want to be short, I told you between the 728 to 702.
okay.
Should
So the
probably take that
euro
one.
dollar, just because we are at
My target was 756 with the dip to 728. Your downside thing,
we're at the
limit was 702.
786. Yeah, I guess if you want to trade it for a bounce, I mean, I'd be a little nervous to trade it for a bounce, but
I should have already done it. What an idiot. I should have done it. Well, I mean, it sat there for a little bit, and then we're starting to work up a little bit higher. It's just overdone. I think, like I said, I was saying is I thought the dollar would be on the bid into the print, into the number, into NFP, and also the print. I didn't think it'd be anything like this. This blows my mind. I think it's a little bit overdone. I look for the dollar to still advance into Monday, Tuesday, and then we'll see a nice pullback. This is a bounceable area for against the dollar over the course of the next couple of days. I just can't see how the euro can go much below 7 here.
yeah, I think we're going to have some pretty big support here. God, my dollar Swiss, love it. Um, okay, so we're at the 786 retracement. You got to be careful with the euro on the short side, but I don't know if I'd want to be long. You know.
Well, I'm talking about just scalping purposes.
Yeah.
That
Oh,
is I already said I'm blocking anybody, and I'm dead serious. Anybody that questions this number, talks crap about the USA recovery, I'm serious because I don't need you on my stream. I really don't, because you don't do anything for me. All these people are a bunch of naysayers. I'm dead serious about that.
I love it, Paul.
I'll talk to you later.
All right, buddy. Take care, man. All right, traders. Wow, what a freaking number. Now that's a blowout number, and yeah, that is a blowout number. What's the DAX doing? Somebody said, look at the DAX. Did it just rally back? Oh my God, look at the DAX exploding higher. Wow, stock market has actually come back too. So, wow. Man, what a big move in the DAX. Wow. The Kiwi, 65.75, we're well below that support, obviously. The Aussie's right at support too. You know, the Aussie's actually probably not a bad long here. I'm not going to get long. I'm just saying it's probably not a bad long here. Actually, you know what I'd like to do? I'd like to buy the Aussie Swiss. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, I bought some Aussie Swiss here because the Swissie's breaking out and the Aussie's at support. So I just bought some Aussie Swiss. Let me see what cost average I got. I bought it at 71.10 right here on the Aussie Swiss. I gotta do that over here too. The Aussie is a huge support. Stand by, guys. I'm sorry, I'm doing a little bit of work. Aussie Swiss, what? That's one that it should be on everybody's radar. Not that the Swiss pairs are breaking out. Okay. So anyway, really look at this Swissy. God, love that thing. Look at this Swissy, just absolutely taking off, guys. Just oil's creaming lower, gold's creaming lower. My God.
Oh, by the way, this is a good area for gold, a 1089, and I think we will see the market supported because of the expectations of holiday buying. So I think jewelers will be buying down here. So I think this 1089 is a great area for gold.
No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thanks. Just kidding. Okay, so let's go look at the Aussie dollar because that is right on support here. I don't know if it's going to hold, but it is big support here for the Aussie. Right there. Okay, so this, you got about anywhere about another 10 or 15 pips or so. Okay, really important support here for the Aussie dollar. I don't know if it's going to hold or not, but man, look at the Swissy run. Woo, love it. And you know, I know the euro is supposed to bounce or should bounce somewhere around here, but remember, if it bounces, it's just a bounce. That's it. Okay, just a bounce. Okay, now the stock market's starting to come down, so watch this dollar yen here. Let's go take a look at the dollar yen. I am short the dollar yen, and I'm not happy about it, but that's, like I said, it's a hedge. I got the dollar yen going up, I got the Swissy going down. Now check this out. Okay, so the dollar yen is possible, okay, all the way up here. Now, we did hit this previous support, which is acting as current resistance right now. I did sell some when we got to 120. three are really close to it. It was maybe 122.80 or 90 or so. But we really should stop here. I hope we do. Okay. Okay. Now, what you have to watch for is watch equities. See how equities are coming off? We talked about a strong number. Equities not liking a strong number. Equities are not liking the strong number. Look at the Swissy go. Holy crap. Gold is just absolutely crapping the bed too. How many of you guys are long the Swissy? That's all I gotta know, if anybody's long the Swissy with me. Anybody long the Swissy? Good, 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 good. Long and loving it. And added. I added at 1.0022, I think. Sweet. Oh my God, the peso is rocking. I actually should be long the peso. Hold on, let me take a look at it real quick. The reason why is now I want to be long the peso because risk aversion is probably going to pick up a little bit. So let me go ahead and buy some of that peso on the dip. I'm going to buy a little bit now with the intention of adding more if it dips a little further. So I bought some 77.28. Wow, that's a large spread. Oh well, that's all right. But I don't mind. Like I said, I don't mind owning some of this peso down here because I believe that the market is going to show a little risk aversion. So even if it dips back to like 1672, 1673, I'm going to get long a little bit more. Let's see. Aussie Swiss, I got filled at 71.10. Somebody asked me Aussie Swiss because look, the Swissie's breaking out and the Aussie's a support. So, you know, this Aussie Swiss, this is one of those that I want to be long. I want to be long anyway. I've been real hesitant about being long the New Zealand Swiss, but the Aussie Swiss, yeah. Come on, dollar yen, come down. Come on, dollar yen, come on down to the Price is Right. I'm just kidding. I'm just hoping we reject here at 123 and never see that level ever again. KB says long the dollar Swiss with you since 98.64. Joe's long the Canadian at 31.80. Nice. Andrea's long and added the dollar Swiss at 10027. I mean, gold is just crapping the bed. Wow, stocks are starting to show some signs of weakness here. Dan's long the Swissy from 95.30. You suck. Just kidding. That's awesome. Eric, Greg, Rick, Witt, Femasola, Andrea, Keith, Takis, Jurin, Nick, Alan, Scott. Scott said shit, yeah. I mean, shoot, yeah. Shiznit, yeah. Fernando, Emin, Greg B, Esther, Elena, all along the dollar Swiss. Love it. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Okay, sorry, I'm looking at the peso really quick. Let me go back over to the peso really fast. I'm about ready to add a little bit down here. I like the peso where it's at. Oh, crude's getting walloped right now. Added a hair more peso. It's okay. It's like a 1/3 size position. I just want to have peso exposure because if the market goes risk off, we're heading back to 17 plus peso. So, in my opinion,